Hello dear friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Learnify today, and in this video I talk about something how to speak English confidently and fluency. So I hope you are doing great, and I start my video before sharing some tips, and watch till the end this video, and end of this video I will share with you some tips for speaking this language, and how I can improve my English. So let me talk about one thing. I would say, just I was started my English learning journey, then I have no vocabulary, I have no any sentences to speaking this language, and no any guidelines to improving my English. So, and I was very regretted for myself, how I can speak English, how I cannot speak English. So, but I have done so many things in my journey, in my English journey. Uh, then today's I can speak in English. I know I'm not talking about myself. I very fluency speaking. I speak English very fluency, and very so many things. But I can speak English. So dear, if you are want to become fluent speaker, especially for women, okay, and a housewife, if you want to speak English, start speaking before wait perfect time, and so many things. Okay, so not about this topic is I am talk about how to speak English fluency with confidently. In this video I am share with you how to speak English fluency and confidently, without any hesitation, without any kind of problem. And when I was beginner, when I was started my English journey, then I feel very hesitated, and then I made very mistakes, but I improve my mistakes in my these days, my past days, and in my that is beginning day. So if you make mistakes in there your learning process, your learning speaking process, so you are very become to hesitate, very become to regret yourself, and talking to with yourself, how I cannot speak in English, how I cannot speak in English in my life, in my mouth, especially for English word is not coming in their mouths, because my mouth is only prepared to speak, able to speak Hindi language. So English language is not come very fast to in their mouth, that is mouth. So English is a long process to learning, and start speaking. Then you start speaking. Then as well as your mind is catching word in English. So few sentences is coming to your mouth in English. So start today's topics, and I talk about how to speak English fluently with confidently. Okay, and let me tell about something. When I was started my English journey, then I'm unable to speak in English in my mouth. I'm unable to speak English, unable to speak thinking in my mind. But as well as I practice continue, as well as my practice speaking practice continue to in my life. So then today's I can speak in English. Okay, so, and let me talk, I would say, as well as I started my English journey, then suddenly and one day I started speaking practice, just 40 minutes, 50 minutes. So it's enough to 50 minutes, because if you are beginner, word is not come very fast in your mind, in your mouth to speak in English. So start gradually to speak, and increase your timing gradually, so that your speaking is going to gradually great way. Okay, and how to speak English fluently with confidently is only depend your mind and your practice. If your practice is a hard way, going to hard way, day by day improve your English, then your mind is catching word and your mouth is coming word in their life in English automatically. So start speaking, and it's all about thinking, it's all about to practice English practice. Okay, so stop your making mistakes in their life. How I cannot speak English, how I cannot able to speak English, so that remove your mistakes. And first thing, forget all about grammar rules, talk about little bit. And talk about little bit for myself. When I was started English learning, I read so many grammars all about thing, and there in life, but it's not necessary in English speaking. Totally depend grammar rule, it's not. Okay, yeah, I know. I talking you, I know grammar rule is necessary, but not very too much important. Okay, in speaking, in their speaking. And I would like to suggest one thing. If you are very depressed to learning this language, speak English, so you should believe in yourself. Okay, just you have start your English journey, then you should start speaking even first day. And believe in yourself. Okay, and believe in your hard work. Just you believe in yourself, your mind is think always positive. Otherwise you will go to negative way. Positive thinking is not coming to in your mind, so be positive. Okay, in this journey, be positive is very important for in this journey, because there is just so many peoples, and especially women, to talking a woman, what are doing to learn this language, what are used to learn this language. So so be positive, not take negative comments to in their speaking this language. Okay, be positive and be happy. So think about, uh, if you start your speaking journey, you should start even one day your learning English speaking. You have in front of mirror, in front of yourself. Okay, I was talked to about myself, and that practice is very helped to me so far. And as I say, I can speak English, I would say to you that practice is helped me a lot to improve my English, to improve my vocab English. So many things very helpful for, and these things is very help me. Yes. Okay, and I don't, if you don't speak in your mouth, if you don't speak in your mouth, then you try to speak in your mind, in your thinking. So for, okay, just you try to speak in your mouth, word is coming very few, that you stuck in speaking, that speaking, then you start your mind, just your mind thinking is improved to thinking level in English, then word is always coming to your mouth. Okay, so never ever stop, and never ever give up. You think give up, it's not. Okay, keep learning, and go ahead to improve your English thinking, to improve your English language. Okay, secondly, there are people very depressed to making mistakes. There are people had to so much mistakes, and that time peoples are talking with self. I think I'm not able to speak this language, I'm not able to learn this language. And there are people too started give up, but it's not possible. If you are human being, then you are become to everything, then you are achieved to everything do you want. Okay, so never ever stop, and keep learning. I would say keep learning. If you want to become fluent speaker, if you want to become a so many things depended in you. And making mistake is not bad thing. Okay, making mistake is not bad thing, because making mistake is part of life. Making mistake is part of learning. Every language, every skill, even you learn any language, any skills, any subject, mistake is coming is all is natural. Mistake is coming is natural, because without mistakes you not achieve your goal. Making mistakes is a part of your learning part, and don't be afraid to making mistakes. Okay, and start trying to bring yourself, and those are mistakes, try to remove. And I would say, like to suggest you one thing: accepting your mistakes. Yes, I would say accepting your mistakes. Even you accepting your mistakes, then your mind is going to how to correct my mistakes, searching your minds. If you truly wanted to become your fluent speaker to learner, then your mind is searching how to remove those mistakes, then your mind is working to bring those mistakes. Okay, and accepting your mistakes is a first part of learning. Accepting your mistakes, I would like to suggest you one thing, especially for if you are truly beginner, if you and you have not any grammar rules, so many things. So forget all about grammar rules and so many things, because English speaking is only for wanted to practice. If you give your 100% to improving this language, and you are hardworking, then your hardworking is going to great way, and you are achieve your fluency and confidently. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel, and we'll meet till the next video. Take care.